Hello everyone, it's Jay and today we install the Minecraft web server on Windows. To know how I made it, you can check this video. It explains the technique I use for create that app. Don't forget to like, comment the video. Let's jump for the installation of the Minecraft server. So for that you have to download the official Minecraft servers file. It's available on the link in the description. So you can download the application. So I already downloaded it. Save that where you want, but it's the place will be important during the video. You to run the Minecraft servers, you must have Java installed on your computer. So now we have to install the right Java versions that match the Minecraft server version. So for me, I want the latest version of Minecraft server, so I have to install the 21 versions of Java. So for that, I'm going to download the JDK 21. You can click on the description to have direct access for the downloading versions. And now double click into the X file and let's install it. So I already installed it, so let's reinstall it. It's not a problem. So click next. Select where you want. For me, it will be on program file Java JDK -21. Next. And close. So let's open the folder where you download the Minecraft server application and right click into that folder to open in terminal. For me it's open on PowerShell, but for you it can be the default command line on Windows. So let's write java-jar server.jar / no GUI. So what we see here, you need to agree to the ELA in order to run the server. So the ELA is the condition to use the Minecraft server. So if we return to the folder, we have now a ELA.tsx. So let's double click on that file and we have to change the value to true and save the file. Let's close it, clear the terminal and reapply the same command java server.jar with the no GUI argument. The server is running, so now we are ready to install the Minecraft web application. So you can just exit the terminal by writing stop. The server is saving in chunks and closing the process. We can download the application. So for that you have to go on the description and click for the Windows one and save it in the same location of the Minecraft server. Go to the folder of the Minecraft server. Before extracting the file, you have to create a new folder and name it www. Like because it's a web application, most of web application are into a www file. The www file is created. Now you can extract into that www folder and extract. And now let's move to the www file. We are ready to configure the application before start it. You can open the configure file and click OK. It will open into Notepad. It's a JSON file. and it's composed with multiple servers, but for now I only have just one. So let's talk about the configuration that we can set. We have the auto start parameters. It's a flag that indicate when the application starts, it will automatically run the Minecraft server. The jar file is the name of the server.jar. If you have different version, and you can choose the version that you want. And for the Java option, on the documentation, the official documentation for downloading the server, it mentioned that we can set maximal and minimal memory usage. So you can take that information and add a comma between the values. But if you want, like me, 2 GB, you can let that information. For the server option, it's right here. So let's say that you want a bonus check and the no GUI. You have to add a comma and write bonus chest and Ctrl S. On the web application, you can see the information of that file. So the name must be the same name as your server. So now we ready. We can double click into the Minecraft web server windows. It will open into a terminal and open a new tab in your navigator. You will see that application, but if you want more information about, you can check this the video where I explain how I transform the Minecraft server to a web application. So that's it for the video. If you found issue during the installation on Windows, write a comment. I will help you to resolve your problem. So that's it. See you soon. Bye bye.